the one that's booked most often, you're doing for free. Now, I don't know if that's the case or not, but most stylists don't know if their most popular service is actually profitable. So today, I'm going to show you that in under 2 minutes. So if you use the LiQUiD's pricing calculator already, you've laid the foundation to answer any question by your AI business assistant, who is not generic. It's trained on my 16 years as a salon owner behind the chair with my 5 salon concepts that I sold, as well as on the 300 stylists that I coached around the country. So I'm going to go ahead and dive in. I'm going to share my screen. And we went from the home screen to our AI business assistant located on the side. Now, what I love is the business assistant ultimately is me. But you have access to it 24/7, 7 days a week. It never sleeps. And it's giving you information based on your data. So it says, hey, my beautiful person, I'm your salon business assistant. How can I help you slay today? So we are going to add a simple prompt. I do a whatever your service is, and it takes me however long it takes me. Am I profitable? Today we did a silk press at 90 minutes. So I wanted to tell me, am I profitable? So we click, it's thinking. Now, what I love, like I said, it is going back and looking at the foundation that you've already laid with your numbers from the business pricing calculator. So if you haven't had the opportunity yet, this is the time to go ahead and put those numbers in. And let's see what it says. To make a profitable 90-second silk press, you need to charge more than your break-even price. Let's look at your numbers. Based on your calculator, your break-even price for 90 minutes is $165. This is the minimum price to charge to cover all of your business bills and your paycheck. Then it gives us a profit recommendation of 206. Now, this includes a 25% cushion, which gives you extra money for savings, hiring, and time off. So you should be charging 165 to be profitable. If you're charging 206 or more, you're running a very profitable business. Now, I don't know about you, but you're like, oh, wow, that's not what I expected. What I love is it says, would you like me to suggest small add-ons you could offer with the service to increase the value and the profit? Or would you like to see how charging the profit recommendation would impact your monthly income? So you got some options here. Now, what I want to do is I want to back up a second, right? So this was based off of someone else's numbers, not yours. But now you can use the pricing calculator to lay that foundation, and you'll be able to see if you are profitable. And if you're not, the business assistant is going to help you come up with options. I'm going to show you all something else, which I think is super cool. Now, today we're just supposed to focus on one of our services. But tomorrow, you can put in every single service that you offer and check to see if it's profitable. But I'm not going to dive into that today because I want to make sure you do this one step to get started to lay the foundation for financial freedom. Remember, y'all, every day is a new opportunity to slay. If you haven't had a chance, book your profit call. I would love to talk to you about your business and see how I can help you. If you do the work over the next 90 days with LiQUiD software, I promise you, you will step into 2026 stress-free, profitable, and with the financial freedom. Remember, y'all, every day is a new opportunity to slay. Peace and love, y'all.